Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
And we have a storm on the way, certainly nothing of that magnitude, and we're not talking snow this time, but rather some rain. In the meantime, some locally dense fog very early this morning, especially along the lower part of the bay and the South Shore. We take a look at this picture from Newport. Jim sending this in. Actually a beautiful picture of the sunrise and the low clouds as well. Very stubborn throughout the day, especially the first half of the day. Took quite a while to burn off, while elsewhere, mainly sunny skies kind of ruled the skies today. As far as visibility right now, everybody has improved quite a bit, though still some low cloudiness near the westerly area. That's sort of a precursor of what will arrive later on this evening and overnight. I do expect the low clouds and fog to come back, and eventually some drizzle and some rain. Temperatures now under clear skies are in the mid-50s, 56 in Providence after topping out in the lower 60s, so another very mild day, though not 70 like we had yesterday. Now, on the satellite and radar composite, we are nice and clear. However, we draw your attention to two weather systems. One is a cold front, and the other is almost a hurricane. This is Sean, which the Hurricane Center obviously has been tracking very closely. Some of this moisture will interact with this front out across the Midwest, and both will sort of link up over New England for tomorrow with some rain. Now, the center of Sean is actually going to bend out to sea. This is a miss for the East Coast. However, some of the moisture out ahead of it, see right in here, I was kind of peeling off to the north. Watch one more time, right up in here. Some of that will advance into New England ahead of this cold front, and the combination will produce a wet day coming up for tomorrow. Now, for this evening, the first part of the night is dry, so if you're heading out next several hours, don't look for any rain. Though later tonight, the low clouds and the fog coming in, some areas of showers and drizzle, especially late at night. We're not concerned about ice. Notice temperatures staying well above freezing here with readings in the 50s. Tomorrow morning, I do expect initially just light showers, drizzle, and areas of dense fog. Temperatures quite mild in the mid to upper 50s. And then during the afternoon, looking at periods of rain. Some of it may be heavy at times, especially later in the day. Temperatures cooler in the upper 50s to lower 60s. 64 in Coventry. Some of the rain heavy on an east-northeast breeze at 5 to 15. Of course, Bay forecast has the poor visibility in the periods of rain on this east-northeast wind at 5 to 15. Northern suburbs, upper 50s to low 60s. Grab the umbrellas, 62 Burrillville and Cumberland at 64, and rain likely across southeastern Massachusetts as well. Humid with high temperatures in the mid-60s. It's a fast-moving system. It is out of here by Friday, Veterans Day, but it is a very windy and much cooler day Friday. Temperatures will actually fall through the 40s late in the day. The good news, the weekend still looks okay. Partly sunny Saturday, mostly sunny on Sunday, cooler. High temperatures in the middle to upper 50s. So the 11-day streak of dry weather comes to an end tomorrow.
All righty.